Hi, this is Steve Sliwa, your volunteer webmaster for the TMGA website. Tonight I'd like to talk about file exchange, which is one of the key features of the website. Sometimes it's referred to as downloads or file information. So one of the things we want to do is explore how we can upload files and how we can download and share them with each other. So as a quick review, File Exchange is a repository of useful files. Sometimes it's referred to as downloads. It's sorted by categories. Each of the files are searchable, not only by the titles, but also through the documents themselves. And similar to the gallery, you just navigate to where you want it and then upload as you need. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what we can do. So here's the home page. I'm going to come over here. It's inside our library section. And it's not the wiki, it's File Exchange. And here it is. It's referred to as downloads here. And these are some of the most recent files, what's new, most downloaded. It's only just now gotten started. We have to ultimately transfer things over from the legacy knowledge base. But I wanted to show people how they can use it, even though it's early in its life. So if you look over on the right is the various categories. And for example, in the archives and general and miscellaneous, you click on that and you'll see kind of a general area where you can submit files. If you um, navigate back, you can come over here and you can see archives model specific. We click on this one and um, this is where you can store specific model specific files. And here's another way to look at it. I hit the categories button. You can see here's the downloads in different categories. And we looked at archives. Now aviation knowledge is another one. FAA documents, pilot reports and test flights, safety, shareware, which is software, and training. So, and here's the file types, and the most recent ones have been put in. And if you want to go to download a file, let's go to training. I'm currently logged in as Charles Lindbergh, and he wants to do that. Let's say I want to download this checkout form. So he comes over here, hits the checkout, and can see a screenshot. If you want to get a better picture of the screenshot, he can do that. And now we can download this file. Click on that. Boom, it's downloaded. Now, what if he wants to upload a file? He feels, hey, I downloaded one, I ought to contribute. So he's actually got a motor glider syllabus that he found from the Soaring Society of South Africa. Let's go ahead and get that uploaded. So I'm in this category training, so I'm going to go ahead and submit a file. Training is good, but I could change it if I wanted, but training is good. Continue. Now I can select my file. So I'm going to come over here, put my file in, drop it on top of this. There it is. And it's already uploaded. Now actually it says add a screenshot if you want. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's not required. But I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make it here. I'll get a screenshot and I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot. I'm just doing one of the Macintosh tools for doing that. I'll bring that back, drag my file over here. There you see it. Now it says add screenshot, so I'll just go ahead and put it on top. There it is. File name, I'm going to do SS Soaring Society of South Africa Touring Motor Glider Syllabus. I'll add syllabus, comma, training. Notify me. I'm just adding some content here. And I could add more, drag more files and information related to this. And then I save and submit file. There we go. Now it's available. Let's take a look. Training. Now it's been added. If I come over here just to test it, here's what the screenshot looks like. Okay. I can download this file. Boom, it's downloaded. So you can see it's a pretty convenient way for us to exchange and share files and information. So hopefully if you find documents, checklists, printouts of things that you think would be useful for us, manuals, guidelines, please upload them and share them with your colleagues on the website. I hope you found this useful and look forward to seeing you online.